Hello and welcome to MSA-TV. My name is Jason Fox and I'm the product line manager for portable gas detection here at MSA. I handle single gas detectors and also the Galaxy automated calibration system. The Galaxy calibration system is what I'm going to talk to you about today, and it is a very nice all-in-one package that makes it convenient for the end user to do an automated calibration or bump of their portable gas instruments, and then also to maintain a record of that either by print or electronically through different memory devices. The system is very easy to use and very easy to set up. You basically take it out of the box. There are two primary components of a Galaxy bank. The first is a test stand or test station, and then the second is a cylinder holder. You can have up to 3 cylinder holders, which as you look at the bank of Galaxies would be going off to your left, and then you can have up to 10 different test stands, which again as you look at that Galaxy bank will be going off to your right. So you just take them out of the box. You would make sure all your plugs are removed as you connect them through. There are 4 main airways or gas channels in this instrument, and what's really nice about the Galaxy is that that's all inside, so you don't have any external plumbing, tubing, things of that nature. Everything gets hooked up, and when you hook up the test stands and the gas cylinder holders together, that channel for the gas to flow through is protected by the housing of the instruments. Once you hook them together, you tighten them with a screw in the front, tighten a screw in the back, and you're basically ready to go. Your last test stand, the one that's furthest to the right, is your master test stand. It's very important that you leave the white plugs in that test stand because otherwise the gas will leak out of that side. You would then plug in your test stands. You would hook up your gas cylinders of choice into the gas cylinder holder. Gas cylinder holder comes supplied with a demand flow regulator, which is very convenient again for you. In plugging them in, you'll basically need to set the date and the time and the gas type, and then some other really brief things that you'd have to do, and you'll be ready to use this instrument in a short amount of time. So it's very easy to use and set up. It is a very much of an expandable system as well, in that you can, again, put up to 10 test stands in one bank. And what's really nice is that you get flexibility with that too, and that you can put together an Altair 4, an Altair 5, and maybe 8 Altair or Altair Pro single gas Galaxies. Really, whatever combination of Galaxies you can think of, you can use, as long as the 3 gas cylinders that you'd have would supply the correct gases that those gas detectors would need. So again, it's easy to use. It's a very flexible system. It's an expandable system. With this Galaxy system, we have a lot of great accessories as well. There is a network, what's called a network connector accessory. That has a serial port connector, which will allow you to hook up a printer and get an immediate print receipt for your calibration or bump. It also has an Ethernet connector, which will allow you to do a wired network into a PC. So there's a lot of different ways through the accessories and through what's built in to get the record of a calibration or a bump, pass or fail, with a time and date stamp recorded, to have proof that an instrument was calibrated or bumped in a certain date and time. Another accessory option you'd have would be a memory card. This memory card goes into the master test stand only, which again would be the one furthest to the right as you're looking at the bank. This is removable and can be taken out, let's say by an IH or safety professional, back to their desk and plugged into a memory card reader, And again, another way to get that data off of the instrument so that you can verify and document the record of the calibration and the bumps. It's just a standard SD memory card. Another accessory that we have is our battery pack, which is really nice. It allows the Galaxy system to be used out in the field for remote cals or bumps. That's something that is a bit unique in our industry and can be a nice service as a distributor or a benefit to a end user customer. An additional feature with the Galaxy automated calibration systems is that as you have, let's say, 10 of these test stations or stands hooked up together, in hooking up the different combination of instruments, what sets this system apart from the rest of the industry is that you can calibrate multiple instruments at the same time, so that if you put in 10 instruments into 10 test stations at the same time, they will all start calibrating at the same time. There's enough gas flow through the system in the way that our internal basically plumbing is designed to allow for that to occur. Some other units out in the industry, basically, as you put in the first unit, that would calibrate or bump, go all the way through to finish until the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth would start in sequence. Again, this is Jason Fox, Product Line Manager for Portable Gas Detection. I'd like to thank you for tuning in today to MSA TV and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.